What if I told you that you could grow a breathtaking flower garden filled with vibrant colors, all without spending hours watering, pruning, or constantly caring for your plants? It may sound too good to be true, but the secret isn't hard work. It's choosing the right flowers. In today's video, we're counting down the top 15 low-maintenance flowers that deliver spectacular blooms with surprisingly little effort. Whether you're a complete beginner, a busy homeowner, or simply someone who loves beautiful gardens without the extra work, this list is for you. From the stunning dahlia and colorful zinnia to the elegant hydrangea, cheerful sunflower, vibrant petunia, and beautiful purple aster, these flowers can transform any outdoor space into a stunning garden. Stay until the end, because our number one flower is one of the easiest to grow, blooms for months, and might be the perfect addition to your garden. 1. Dahlia, the queen of colorful gardens. When it comes to creating a garden that instantly captures attention, few flowers can compete with the breathtaking beauty of the dahlia. Known for its perfectly layered petals and stunning range of colors, this remarkable flower has become a favorite among gardeners across the United States. At first glance, dahlias may look delicate and difficult to grow, but they're actually much easier to care for than most people imagine. Once established, they produce spectacular blooms for months with only minimal maintenance. Dahlias thrive in full sunlight, needing at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day. They grow best in fertile, well-drained soil, where their roots can develop strong and healthy. Rather than watering a little every day, give them a deep soak once or twice a week. This encourages deeper roots and helps the plant stay healthy during hot summer weather. One simple habit can make an enormous difference. As each flower begins to fade, remove it from the plant. This process, known as deadheading, encourages the dahlia to produce even more blooms instead of using its energy to create seeds. With this small amount of care, your garden can remain filled with vibrant flowers from midsummer until the first frost. Available in shades of red, pink, yellow, orange, purple, white, and even multicolored varieties, dahlias fit almost every garden design. Their large blossoms also make excellent cut flowers, allowing you to enjoy fresh bouquets inside your home while the garden continues blooming outside. Even better, dahlias attract bees and butterflies, supporting healthy pollinators that benefit your entire landscape. If you're looking for a flower that delivers luxurious beauty without demanding constant attention, the dahlia is an outstanding choice and the perfect way to begin building a stunning, low-maintenance garden. 2. Zinnia, the colorful bloom that rewards you all summer. If there is one flower that proves gardening doesn't have to be complicated, it's the zinnia. Bright, cheerful, and incredibly easy to grow, zinnias have earned a special place in gardens across America. Their vibrant blooms appear in nearly every color imaginable, from bold reds and brilliant oranges to soft pinks, sunny yellows, and pure whites. Best of all, they bloom continuously from early summer until the first frost, giving your garden months of color with very little effort. Zinnias thrive in full sun and enjoy warm weather, making them perfect for long summer days. They aren't demanding when it comes to soil, as long as it drains well. Once established, they handle heat remarkably well and can tolerate short periods of drought without losing their beauty. A deep watering every few days is usually all they need to stay healthy and productive. One of the reasons experienced gardeners love zinnias is a simple secret. The more flowers you cut, the more the plant produces. Whether you're creating fresh bouquets for your kitchen or simply removing faded blooms, each cut encourages new flowers to appear. It's a natural cycle that keeps the plant looking fresh throughout the season. Beyond their stunning appearance, zinnias attract butterflies, bees, and other valuable pollinators that help nearby flowers, fruits, and vegetables flourish. They're also resistant to many common garden problems, making them an excellent choice for beginners. If you want a flower that combines effortless care, non-stop blooms, and unforgettable color, the zinnia is one of the smartest additions you can make to your garden. 3. Hydrangea, a timeless beauty that keeps giving. Hydrangeas are proof that elegance doesn't have to come with endless maintenance. Their large, cloud-like blooms instantly add charm and sophistication to any garden, making them a favorite among homeowners across the United States. Blooming in shades of blue, pink, purple, and white, hydrangeas create a breathtaking display from late spring through summer. They grow best in well-drained soil with morning sun and afternoon shade, especially in warmer climates. Once established, they only need deep watering during dry periods and occasional pruning to stay healthy. A layer of mulch helps keep the roots cool while reducing the need for frequent watering. One fascinating feature is that some varieties naturally change flower color depending on the soil's pH. With long-lasting blooms, minimal care, and year-after-year reliability, hydrangeas are an excellent choice for gardeners who want maximum beauty with minimal effort. 4. Sunflower, a giant bloom that practically grows itself. Few flowers symbolize summer quite like the sunflower. With its towering stems and brilliant golden petals, it brings warmth, color, and life to any outdoor space. Despite its impressive size, the sunflower is one of the easiest flowers to grow. It thrives in full sunlight and adapts well to most well-drained soils. Once established, its deep roots help it withstand dry conditions, making it perfect for busy gardeners. Throughout the season, sunflowers attract bees, butterflies, and even songbirds, creating a lively and healthy garden environment. As autumn approaches, the seed-filled heads become a natural food source for birds or can be harvested for healthy snacks. Fast-growing, resilient, and incredibly rewarding, sunflowers prove that spectacular garden displays don't have to require constant attention. 5. Petunia. Months of color from a single plant. If continuous blooms are what you're looking for, petunias are hard to beat. These colorful flowers brighten gardens with shades of pink, purple, white, red, and blue from spring until the first frost. Petunias thrive in full sun and prefer well-drained soil, making them ideal for flower beds, borders, containers, and hanging baskets. Once established, they require only moderate watering and occasional deadheading to encourage fresh blooms. Their fast-growing nature allows them to quickly fill empty spaces with vibrant color. Butterflies and pollinators are naturally attracted to their nectar-rich flowers, adding movement and life to your garden. Whether you're an experienced gardener or planting flowers for the very first time, petunias reward minimal effort with a beautiful display that lasts all season long. 6. Aster, the star of the autumn garden. As many summer flowers begin to fade, asters step into the spotlight with a spectacular display of purple, pink, blue, and white blooms. Their daisy-like flowers provide fresh color when gardens need it most, making them an excellent choice for extending the blooming season into fall. Asters thrive in full sun to partial shade and grow happily in well-drained soil. Once established, they require very little watering and tolerate short dry spells with ease. These late-season flowers are especially valuable because they provide nectar for butterflies and bees preparing for winter. With only occasional trimming and minimal maintenance, asters continue returning year after year, bringing dependable beauty to every landscape. 7. Marigold. Bright, cheerful, and nearly impossible to fail. Marigolds are one of the most dependable flowers you can plant. Their bright yellow, orange, and golden blooms instantly brighten flower beds while requiring very little care. They thrive in full sunlight, tolerate summer heat, and grow well in almost any well-drained soil. Once established, marigolds need only occasional watering and continue blooming until frost. They also help naturally repel certain garden pests, making them excellent companion plants for vegetables and herbs. Deadheading faded flowers encourages even more blooms throughout the season, although the plants remain productive with very little attention. Easy to grow, beginner-friendly, and incredibly reliable, marigolds deliver months of vibrant color while making your garden healthier and more beautiful. 8. Coneflower, echinacea. A tough beauty that loves the sun. If you're searching for a flower that combines beauty, resilience, and wildlife benefits, the coneflower, also known as echinacea, is an outstanding choice. Its striking purple, pink, white, or orange petals surround a bold, cone-shaped center, creating a unique look that stands out in any garden. Native to North America, coneflowers thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Once established, they're incredibly drought-tolerant and rarely require extra watering. making them perfect for busy gardeners. Their long blooming season stretches from early summer into fall, providing months of vibrant color. Even better, these flowers attract butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds, while their seed heads provide food for songbirds later in the season. Resistant to most pests and diseases, coneflowers require little more than occasional deadheading. They're a dependable, low-maintenance plant that delivers lasting beauty year after year. 9. Black-eyed Susan, a burst of sunshine all summer long. Bright, cheerful, and incredibly reliable, Black-eyed Susan is one of the easiest flowers to grow in almost any garden. Its golden yellow petals surrounding a rich, dark center create a classic wildflower look that instantly brightens landscapes. This hardy perennial thrives in full sunlight and grows well in average, well-drained soil. Once established, it's highly drought-tolerant and continues blooming through the hottest months of summer with very little care. Black-eyed Susans attract bees, butterflies, and other helpful pollinators, making them a valuable addition to wildlife-friendly gardens. Occasional deadheading encourages more flowers, but even without much maintenance, they continue producing vibrant blooms until early fall. Their toughness, long flowering season, and ability to thrive in different conditions make Black-eyed Susan a favorite among both beginner and experienced gardeners. 10. Lavender. Fragrance, beauty, and effortless care. Few flowers offer as many benefits as lavender. Famous for its fragrant purple flower spikes and soothing aroma, lavender adds elegance while requiring remarkably little maintenance. It thrives in full sun and prefers dry, well-drained soil, making it perfect for gardeners who don't want to water constantly. In fact, too much water can do more harm than good. Once established, lavender becomes highly drought-resistant and continues blooming through the warm summer months. Its fragrant flowers attract bees and butterflies while naturally helping discourage deer and many common garden pests. Light pruning after flowering keeps the plant compact and encourages healthy new growth. Whether planted along pathways, garden borders, or in decorative containers, lavender provides year-round beauty, calming fragrance, and outstanding resilience, making it one of the smartest additions to any low-maintenance garden. 11. Cosmos, delicate flowers with incredible strength. Don't let their delicate appearance fool you. Cosmos are among the toughest and easiest flowers you'll ever grow. Their graceful blooms dance in the breeze, adding a soft, natural charm to gardens throughout the summer and into fall. Cosmos thrive in full sunlight and actually perform better in average or slightly poor soil than in overly rich soil. Once established, they tolerate heat and drought with ease, requiring very little attention. Their pink, white, crimson, and purple flowers attract butterflies, bees, and other beneficial pollinators, helping create a healthier garden ecosystem. Regularly removing faded blooms encourages even more flowers, although cosmos continue blooming generously even with minimal care. Their effortless beauty, rapid growth, and months of colorful blossoms make them an ideal choice for anyone seeking a vibrant, low-maintenance garden. 12. Coreopsis, the golden bloom that never gives up. If you're looking for a flower that delivers months of color with almost no effort, Coreopsis is an outstanding choice. Often called tick-seed, this cheerful perennial is famous for its bright yellow, orange, pink, and red blooms that seem to cover the entire plant from early summer until fall. Coreopsis thrives in full sunlight and grows happily in well-drained soil, even if the soil isn't particularly rich. Once established, it's highly drought-tolerant and requires very little watering, making it perfect for busy homeowners and beginner gardeners. Its nectar-rich flowers attract butterflies and bees, helping create a healthy, pollinator-friendly garden. Simply removing faded blooms from time to time encourages an even longer flowering season. Simply removing faded blooms from time to time encourages an even longer flowering season. Resistant to heat, pests, and many common diseases, Coreopsis continues to brighten landscapes year after year with very little maintenance. It's proof that a beautiful garden doesn't have to demand constant attention. 13. Blanket flower, Gaya. a burst of summer that loves the heat. With its fiery shades of red, orange, and golden yellow, the blanket flower, also known as gaya, brings the warmth of a summer sunset into your garden. Native to North America, this hardy perennial is built to thrive in hot, sunny conditions where many other flowers struggle. It grows best in full sunlight and well-drained soil, requiring very little watering once established. In fact, it often performs better in poor soil than in overly fertile ground. Throughout the summer and well into fall, blanket flowers produce a steady supply of colorful blooms that attract butterflies, bees, and other beneficial pollinators. Occasional deadheading encourages even more flowers, but the plant remains productive even with minimal care. If you're searching for a flower that combines bold color, drought tolerance, and effortless beauty, blanket flower is one of the toughest and most rewarding choices available. 14. Salvia, a pollinator favorite that blooms for months. Elegant, dependable, and incredibly easy to grow, salvia is one of the best flowering plants for creating a vibrant, low-maintenance garden. Its tall spikes of purple, blue, pink, red, or white flowers bloom continuously from late spring through fall, adding both color and height to flower beds and borders. Salvia thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil, becoming highly drought-tolerant once established. It requires very little watering and rarely suffers from serious pests or diseases. One of its greatest strengths is its ability to attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees, filling your garden with movement and life throughout the growing season. At the same time, its fragrant foliage naturally discourages deer and rabbits from feeding on it. With months of blooms and almost effortless care, salvia is an excellent choice for gardeners who want lasting beauty without the extra work. 15. Sedum, stonecrop, the ultimate low-maintenance flower. Finishing our list is sedum, commonly known as stonecrop, a plant that perfectly defines low-maintenance gardening. Its thick, succulent leaves store water, allowing it to thrive through long periods of heat and drought with almost no attention. Sedum grows best in full sunlight and well-drained soil, where it develops into a dense, attractive plant that looks beautiful throughout the year. In late summer and fall, clusters of tiny pink, red, or white flowers appear, attracting butterflies and bees when many other flowers have finished blooming. Even after the flowers fade, the dried seed heads continue adding texture and interest to the winter garden. Sedum is highly resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh weather, making it one of the easiest plants for beginners to grow successfully.